back. Didn't do any work on the van yesterday, I had a day off. We had to take Barbara's car over to the garage because it's not very well, it's a bit poorly at the moment. It's burning a bit of oil and I think it probably needs some new valve seals, I think. But anyway, we should hear something today. So I didn't do any work yesterday, but I've had a lot of deliveries today. I'll show you in a minute. We've had the ladder turn up, which I'm going to try and fit on the back door today. I'm not sure whether I can do it on my own or not, but I'll show you. I've started putting it together, but I kind of really don't know whereabouts on the van it's going. I know it's going on the back door, but I might need some help because it's not particularly light. So I've also had the Unistrut delivered this morning, which I'm going to use to make a roof rack up on the top of the van for mounting the solar panels and various other things should we need them. And I've had the Max Air delivered this morning, the deluxe model with the remote control. So yeah, it's been quite a busy door answering service this morning, even though I have been out doing a few jobs at the van. But anyway, I'll show you the ladder. I've currently got it on 2 bins outside because I've got I haven't got anything to rest it on at the moment. So just bear with me a second. There's the instructions for the ladder, which I'm just working on outside. There's Bertha Joan. I decided to call the van Bertha Joan after my mum. That was her name. Even though everybody called her Joan, she was called Bertha Joan. So yeah. There's the Unistrut. That's 4 2-metre lengths. So I'm going to put 2 pieces on each side of the van, and I guess all the fittings are there as well. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess out here at the moment. I've got boxes and... So there's the ladder. I've got it resting on these 2 bins. I've fitted the... that's the bottom end of the ladder. So I've fitted that bracket. I just don't know where to put the top one yet until I offer it up to the van to see where it's going to sit nicely. But I honestly don't think I can do this on my own. I may have to get somebody to help me. But I'm just going to have a look online and see anybody else that's put one of these on, just to see where they've actually put the brackets on the top part, because you get a choice of all those, so you can kind of put it between these two, these two, or these two, depends on where you want your bracket on the van. But the bottom one I think I've got right, but the top one I'm not quite sure. So there you go. Why does everything take so long? It took me ages to put this flaming ladder together, and I've only got 1 hole drilled in the van at the moment. I'll show you. Look. 1 poxy little hole in the van. There. It takes ages to do stuff. Couldn't find an 8.5mm drill bit, so I just had to go out and buy one. Story of my life, this. I'll get this ladder on. Yet.
How's it going, love?
It's going.
Stresses and the strains.
Oh.
I think you're doing a brilliant job. I'm so proud of you.
Struggling with my nuts.
Struggling with your nuts, love. I don't know. You have problems with your screws, and now you've got problems with your nuts. You've got a lot going for you, lad, have you?
No.
The joys of building your own camper van. But I'm sure it'll be worth it in the end. Can't wait to get out and about. Lovely. And the sky's absolutely gorgeous today. So warm.
It feels so flimsy and I like that.
Well, it's because at the top of the door there's panels. At the bottom door there isn't a panel. Come on, love, get a grip.
Wish this would get a grip. I keep spinning it round and it's going round.
Oh.
On to go. I've got some washers left over.
Some washers.
Not in the hole, love.
Struggling finding your hole, love?
I am, yeah. Not usually, do I?
No, not normally. Give it a good old screw, love. That ladder's got to be strong for your weight, love.
You got it.
Yeah. Smile. To the
Press her over there. When you get the ladder, these fittings here, you can see where I'm pointing, yep. They're all like an aluminium colour, like a silver colour, and all the nuts and bolts, but what we did, we sprayed those. And another thing is, if you're fitting this to a Sprinter, I mean ours is a 2017 model, but if you note where I've placed the bolts on the bottom, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and I've used the second and third from the top on the bottom part, and on the top part I've put it right in the middle, so there's 6 there, so I've used holes 3 and 4. Just a little bit of information that might help you decide prior to putting your ladder up, because it is a lot of messing about. If you don't put them in the right holes, then you have to take them all off and do it all again, which is a pain in the bottom. There's our little reversing camera, you've seen that. So I'm going to put some parking sensors in this step today as well. I've just got the cable for that. So there'll be 4 parking sensors going in there. So yeah, hopefully we're going to get up on the roof and cut a big hole in the roof for the Max fan. So we'll do that shortly.
It's my turn, I've been a cuppa now, love.
Look at you standing around doing nothing.
Why not?
I don't know.
It took me ages to spray that.
What, all of 5 minutes?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, for God's sake, how the hell on earth does this happen like that? I don't know what I've done.
So that concludes our ladder installation. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us in the next video when we attempt to fit the Max Air Deluxe model into the roof of our van. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for watching all of our videos. Please share, like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.